We are looking at how to pronounce this word, as well as how to say more interesting and related words in English. In British English, because the American pronunciation is different, in British English this is normally said as appalling. Appalling. You do want to stress on the second syllable. In American English it is usually said slightly differently as appalling. Appalling in American English versus appalling in British English. Did you get this? Could you hear the difference? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like buttons. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more words in English whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.